Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Drunken Sailor. I hope you've been enjoying our cocktails as we go along, and if you do like them, please click on the link at the end of the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you are enjoying these cocktails at home, please drink responsibly. Today we're going to be celebrating the good things of Kentucky. One of my personal favorites is bourbon. The other is the Kentucky Derby. This weekend at Churchill Downs will be the 147th running of the Kentucky Derby.
My favorite horse was Secretariat back in 1973.
Big Red, the fastest horse of all time in the Derby.
1 minute 59 seconds, .4.
Okay, you heard it folks, 1:59.4. Okay, well today we're going to talk about bourbon and not horses. First off, you can drink bourbon neat. Just put it in a glass, drink it at room temperature. You can drink it on the rocks or with a splash of water just to kind of open up the flavors a little bit. Or, since it is the Kentucky Derby, we can enjoy one of those Kentucky favorites, the mint julep. The mint julep is today's cocktail. So to get started, we're going to take a glass. Traditionally, it's a silver glass, but we're just going to use a highball glass today, or lowball glass. And you're going to start with 3 sprigs of mint, the 3 leaves of mint. You're going to put those in the bottom of your glass, and then you're going to take an ounce of simple syrup, and that's just sugar and water, boiled. You put that in the glass.
Hummingbird food.
Hummingbird food. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a muddling stick and you're going to just kind of break up those leaves a little bit. What that does is that releases the flavor and the fragrance into the cocktail. You don't have to beat them up too bad, but this is the point where you wish you had smell-o-vision. Next, you're going to add the bourbon. Now you can use any kind of bourbon you want in here. Today, I'm going to pick Maker's Mark. 2 reasons. One, just like the Kentucky Derby, it is actually distilled in Louisville. We're going to put 2 ounces. The other reason I'm using this one is it's a wheated bourbon, and wheateds are one of my favorite. They're a little bit sweeter than a typical bourbon. So 2 ounces go in there. Next thing that you're going to do is add ice. We'll put 1 scoop of ice in there. Take your stir, and mix that around really good. Then you're going to fill it the rest of the way with crushed ice, the shaved ice. It's kind of like a snow cone for grown-ups. Last, what we're going to do is we're going to take a mint sprig, take it, give it a good slap. What that does, once again, is it's going to release some of those oils into the air. You're going to give it the fragrance and put it into a straw. And of course, we need to celebrate the Kentucky Derby. We have somebody from the stands here. Do you want to taste?
Yes, please.
What did you say?
I said that's good. Bye.
Well, I did have a julep. Thanks for joining us today, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
And watch the Derby.
And watch the Derby.